Good. Okay, good evening all. How are you today?
I'm fine. And
Oh,
you?
yes, I'm good. And how about you, Agnes? Well, how about you, Mbak Nur, Mas Nopal?
I'm good.
Yes, I'm good, thank you. How about you?
I'm very, very good. Okay, now because today is the first day of English debate, we will talking about what? I forgot about the topic. We will talking about navigating cybersecurity challenges in the digital age. Okay, because now I will be the moderator for this session, so I will ask about cybersecurity first. Maybe uh I would like to no no apa ya? Aku nggak akan nunjuk kalian satu-satu ya. So I need volunteer. In your opinion, so what is the definition of cybersecurity, guys? Maybe Agnes first, or Nova, or Mbak Nur, or Arif, or Mr. Ansar. So what is cybersecurity? Masih di mute, Nopal? Okay, maybe Miss Nur Fazila. You wanna try to answer? My question is so simple.
So my question is navigation cybersecurity challenge in the digital age. Um, refers to process of manage and overcoming various security challenges that arise in the digital environment in where information and communication technology is rapid advanced. Cybersecurity issue become a complex activity. Sorry, guys.
Okay, that's all.
Sorry.
Okay.
It is as protecting personal data, address, and maintaining network security a part of effort to navigation that's challenge. Maybe that's enough for me, Lutfi.
Okay. That's a good what's it called? That's good opinion. Thank you, Mbak Nur. And then who will be the next? Mbak Agnes or Mas Nopal or Mas Arif maybe? Oh, Azril, halo Azril.
My
Okay, come on.
my okay, my opinion is cybersecurity is also reflect in the protection of personal data and sensitive information.
Okay, that's approved. And then what's all? And sorry, maybe from Noval or Arif, do you have any idea or any opinion about
My opinion,
cybersecurity? Yes.
cybersecurity that refers to sets measures, policies, and practice designed to protect information stored, processed, and transmitted beyond any or system.
Okay. Okay, thank you, Arif. And once again, from Noval, Ansar, or Azril? Noval.
Okay, so uh, in my opinion, cybersecurity is a set of um, practice technologies, policies, and procedures designed to protect computer system, networks, data, and digital information.
Okay, that's all are good opinions about cybersecurity. And my question, and the next question, the next question is, um, wait. Ntar aku mau ngasih merah ini. Okay, and the next question is apa ya? Bentar guys. Ini kalau belum nyiapin. How can educational institution strike like a balance between embracing technological advance for enhancing learning experiences and ensuring robust cybersecurity measures in place of protect sensitive data. Jadi kayak bagaimana institusi dalam pendidikan itu bisa lebih berperan penting dalam cybersecurity menurut kalian? So how the educational institution can what kind? Gimana ya guys ya bahasa gampilnya itu? How educational institution can take apart being like a cybersecurity in Indonesia. Want to try to answer it? Anyone? Azril maybe? Yeah. Arif deh. Agnes?
Sorry, I can translator in
Sorry?
Indonesia, Lin.
Mhm.
Jadi kayak gimana instansi itu untuk membuat cybersecurity itu semakin gitulah kuat atau gimana
Yeah.
gitu.
Yeah, like this. So how?
Why?
Oke. Dia masih nyari di ChatGPT nih. Okay, how guys? How the educational institution can take a part in the cybersecurity?
Avoid phishing link and use a firewall.
Sorry? Can you repeat, Azril?
Maybe avoid phishing link and use a firewall.
Okay. Using firewall. Yeah. And then maybe from the other, you have any idea or any opinions, like a different opinion with Azril? Don't be shy.
My opinion,
Yeah.
in my opinion, I can solve create additional lesson about cybersecurity and collaboration with other parties.
Okay. Which parties? Like,
Acer
sorry, what?
in the Solo Techno Park.
Oh, Okay, yeah, I see. Okay, that's good. And then, the other? Hello, Ronald. Okay, now fast.
Training and security awareness.
How?
Like conduct cybersecurity training for all personnel, covering best security practices,
Okay.
identifying phishing attacks, and responding to security threats.
Okay. Okay, perfect. Okay, so thank you, Azriel, Arif, and Naufal for answering my question. Yeah, so that's all. Yes, like education institution can take a part in the field of cybersecurity. And I still have other question. So mm, do you think how much the importance of cybersecurity for educational industry? How much the importance, you know? Kayak seberapa pentingkah menurutmu untuk pendidikan? Ayo Mbak Agnes mungkin mau menjawab. Do you want to try to answer it? Mbak Nur. Siapa lagi yang belum ya? Ronald, Ansar, and Azmi. Don't be shy, guys. Azmi salah room.
Very important.
Why?
Because there are several skills that must be protected and they involve personal data.
Okay. So Arif say that it's very important because it can protect our personal data. That's good. And another opinion, thank you, Mas Arif.
Okay, sure.
See you. And then the others. Mbak Nur nih belum jawab nih. Mbak Agnes or Mas Ronald. Halo Mas Ronald. So how much apa ya, kayak apakah penting sih cyber security di dunia pendidikan? And why? Kenapa?
My opinion is cybersecurity is crucial in the world of education because the first protection of personal data, safeguarded the personal data of student, teacher, and education staff to prevent it from the falling into world hacks. Maybe that's my opinion.
Okay, so it's like same with Arif ya. So
Yeah.
it can save our data. And for the others, thank you Mbak Nur Fazila. And for the others,
Yes.
Mas Ronald nih kemana ini? Halo Ronald. Where are you?
I'm same with Mas Arif and Mbak. Soalnya because the data is important for the student and order.
Okay, so most of you are agree with Arif and Mbak Nur opinions, right? And then I don't know, maybe I just have 2 questions, and if you guys have maybe others question or any questions, you can just speak, and the others or me can answer your question. Okay, maybe do you guys have any question for this topic? Is about cybersecurity? Ayo, siapa yang mau pertanyaan? Dapat poin loh. Okay, do you guys have any question? Maybe from Azril, Ronald, or Azmi, or Ansar, Noval, Arif. Okay, Agnes.
Yeah, thank you. I have question for Nur Fazila.
Okay, please.
Agnes, you very busung, Agnes.
Oh,
Okay, what do you think when you know that Indonesia's cybersecurity index is ranked 3 low among G20 country based on the National Cybersecurity Index. Jadi pendapatmu tuh gimana karena berdasarkan National Cybersecurity Index itu negara kita berada di tingkat 3 terbawah dari anggota negara G20.
oh. So what's the question? What's the answer, Miss Nurfazila? The question from Miss Agnes is apa tadi bisa diulang?
Se.
Okay, maybe while waiting for Miss Nurfazila, maybe the others wanna try to answer Miss Agnes' question about our country, right? In the last third, apa sih tadi, Agnes? Bisa diulang? In the last third.
Jadi pertanyaannya itu, gimana pendapatmu tentang negara kita yang berada di peringkat 3 terbawah dari negara atau perkumpulan G20? Karena berdasarkan National Cybersecurity Index laporannya.
For me, fine-fine aja.
Because maybe our sumber daya manusia siapa sih? Because our SDM. Apa ya? Our education maybe ya, and human resource. No. Apa sih SDM? Oh ya, human resource. Because our human resource and our education, so not all of the, maybe like it's like we are student IT, right? And we don't know but cybersecurity too. So that's why maybe yeah. Yeah, like the cybersecurity training is still not too massive in our country. Like not
Yes.
many, yeah, not many students they can learn about cybersecurity. Like we are the IT students, but we don't know about it. And I don't know, maybe for you guys, what do you think? Yeah, what do you think about that? Apa sih? Kayak bagaimana pendapat kalian soal permasalahan yang ini? Kayak you know that our data is now is open source. Enggak open source banget sih enggak. Tapi open source. And how do you feel that? Are you feel scared or are you feel bodo amat gitu? Or are you feel like oh, how about my data and how about my family's data like that? So how do you feel? Because my data is now nggak bisa dikatakan open source sih enggak ya, cuma kayak open source sudah terlanjur bocor kan. Nah, apa yang kalian rasakan? Don't be shy, don't be shy. Speak, just speak, and speak, guys. Maybe Azriel or Ronald or Azmi, how do you feel? Or oh, because my data is still so stealing from by hacker, maybe stealing by hacker, and then I would like to study about cybersecurity maybe next week or next month like that. You guys, speak up.
Oh, very sorry.
Apa Arif?
This is very soon.
Yes, same. Very soon. Apa tadi? Tom?
Start.
Oh, yeah, very soon. And then very very disappointed with Kominfo. Maybe Azmi, you can you turn on your speaker, your microphone? Sorry.
Okay.
Hey, how old are you, Azmi?
I'm 18 years old.
Oh, 18.
That's my age.
Okay. And then how do you feel?
What about what?
About that condition? About data?
Our data with
Yes.
Kominfo or what?
Our condition right now in especially in our especially in our country, because you know in the news there are many cybersecurity right now is ancaman besar ya.
Maybe for me is of course I'm really disappointed with our people because we cannot really we cannot really can apa aja?
Really what?
Apa bahasanya? Wait. Menjaga.
We can apa ya guys, menjaga save our data.
Yes.
Protect.
We cannot really protect. We cannot really protect our data because as you can see, really so really many news about our country. Our data is bocor. Apa bahasa Inggris bocor? Yeah. So kind of like that. So I'm really disappointed with cybersecurity in Indonesia because it's so really
Okay, yeah, I know, and I can catch you. So Azmi, do you Do you want to study about cybersecurity? Maybe in the next year or in the next week, maybe? Do you interest to study
I don't know.
cybersecurity?
Maybe one day, but I'm not really sure. Some days, I guess. I don't know. I'm not
Okay.
really interesting, but yeah, maybe one day.
Yeah,
Yeah.
same. I'm not so interesting with cybersecurity too. But maybe Agnes or Nur Fazila or Nova, but Nur, sorry, or Ronald or Azril, do you have an interesting to study about the cybersecurity field?
No, because it's difficult. It's very difficult.
Okay, yes, I'm agree. And then Mbak Agnes maybe or Mbak Nur, do you want to study about the cybersecurity? Maybe someday I would like to be a hacker or white hat like that. Do you interesting about this topic about the cybersecurity course in Indonesia? Just like IDF, maybe IDF or Infra Digital Foundation, like the foundations is apa ya? Sering tuh apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya aku lupa. Sering mengadakan course, especially in the field of cybersecurity. So maybe do you have do you participated in the course of cybersecurity before? Oh, Noval, pernah ya? Okay. And Agnes, how about you, Agnes? Mbak Agnes and Mbak Nur or Mas Arif? Do you have participated in cybersecurity course before?
No,
No. Yes no doang ini pertanyaannya. And how about you, Mbak Nur?
jawaban jawaban
Mbak Nur and Mbak Agnes?
Just one and I give up.
Okay,
It's very
just once. Okay,
For me, I was intelligently interested in studying cybersecurity, but I'm not a longer interested at the moment
oh why?
because very very hard.
Very hard. Very difficult, yeah. Yeah, it's very difficult and same like you guys. I have studied about the cybersecurity and then have participated in Linux certification, but I'm give up because it's too difficult. And now itu udah lama guys. When I'm in vocational high school maybe 10th grade at vocational high school. Okay, and now uh we are back to Agnes question to Mbak Nur Fazila. Okay, Mbak Nur Fazila, do you already have the answer? Because Mbak Agnes tadi menanyakannya ke Mbak Nur. Okay, Mbak Nur, time and place and screen is yours. Ayolah Mbak Nur, jangan diam-diam Mbak. So what do you think? What do you think about our cybersecurity? Because what survey? Survey apa tadi? Cybersecurity apa? Lupa aku. Because our country is in the third last third last apa sih bahasa Inggrisnya? Peringkat ketiga.
Last,
Terakhir. Peringkat ketiga terakhir ya, bukan peringkat ketiga pertama.
last
Last third. Ya. Oke, Mbak Nur. Jawab dulu baru kita akan berpindah. Not word. Okay, not word. So maybe our human resource is not too apa ya, tidak terlalu unggul dalam bidang cybersecurity. Tapi but I think there are many of vocational high school students that they already have studied about the cybersecurity, but they didn't notice. Sorry, our pasti pemerintahan tuh apa ya? Our pemerintahan didn't notice that, so that's why our human resource is not nggak terlalu kelihatan gitu. Oke, we can go to the next. Thank you, Mbak Agnes, for the questions. That good question that membuat kita berpikir ya. Maybe selain Mbak Agnes, is there still any question for you from you? Oke, Arif. Monggo Arif.
How do you take part in cybersecurity learning so you don't like being other countries?
Sorry,
Jadi,
Mhm.
ya, bagaimana caramu atau cara kita yang menjawab sebagai anak muda sendiri untuk mengikuti pembelajaran cybersecurity agar tidak tertinggal jauh? Kalau tertinggal biasa tidak masalah karena ya setidaknya tidak jauh dari negara lain.
Okay, so how can you take the part in the cybersecurity? How?
Nur Fazli.
Terima apa?
Nur Fazli.
Apa itu, Rip?
Gimana?
Apa tadi? Ulangi yang terakhir.
Oh, enggak.
Oh, enggak.
Maksudku kepada siapa gitu?
Oh, alah. Kepada siapa?
All participants.
Oh, all participants. Okay, all participants can answer it. So, Arif questions is how can you guys take a part for this cybersecurity? I think the question is like almost the same like our discussion, our last discussion, yeah. So how you can take a part of this cybersecurity? Who can? For me, maybe I'm first. For me, yeah, I have when I'm in the 10th grade, I already participate in the course and also in the apa sih lomba guys? Apa lomba?
Competition.
Competition.
Yeah.
I take a part in the competition, but not about cybersecurity. The competition is about cloud computing. And in the cloud computing, apa ya? Aku dapat training gitu loh. So the trainer said that my job or my task is to protect my server. Like kayak apa sih ngomongnya tuh aku? Protect my server from the attack like the DOS and then from cyber attack lah pokoknya cyber attack kayak gitu. Nah, but itu balik lagi ke kita. Is this are we still apa ya? Gimana ya ngomongnya ya? Apakah kita mau untuk belajar lagi soal itu? Tapi aku udah nyerah sih. I'm give up because it's too what's called it's too it's a complicated. You know that the system and then the code and also the servers and we like to protect our server, protect our what? Yeah, it's a difficult. But my friends said that if you already have a basic of Linux and a basic of ya Linux lah minimal itu bisa buat ya bisa apa ya bisa mendukung lah gitu karena aku nggak punya basicnya ya sudah ngambang aja tuh itu pengalamanku guys. So how about you? How about you? But I'm not too interested in cybersecurity at all. And how about you? Maybe Azril, do you want to be a cybersecurist? Novel maybe? Or Arif sendiri deh. Arif pengen nggak? No ding. Tadi sudah jawab.
Not because very hard.
Iya kan? Okay, maybe because I thought we are not interested in cybersecurity, so you know, udah buntu gitu kan dia karena nggak punya ketertarikan ke cybersecurity. Tapi gak apa-apa, yang penting kita bisa sharing-sharing. Okay, so after Arif question, thank you for the question Arif. But Ronald, hello Ronald, are you still here?
Hello.
Hello. Okay, so how do you think Ronald? Do you interest in cybersecurity
No,
before? No? Because of
no.
why?
Because I think cybersecurity is too hard in my brain, so I just run to cybersecurity. That's all.
Okay. Yeah. We are not interested about cybersecurity. Tapi nggak apa-apa. Okay. Thank you, Arif. And the last question deh, last question. Yeah. Do you have any question, guys? Maybe last question is kalian boleh silakan kalau ada yang pertanyaan boleh langsung diajukan karena ini pertanyaan terakhir.
Saya.
Oh ya, boleh. Okay. What is the question?
How can we? Okay. Easy question. How can we prevent our personal data from being leaked? Kayak bagaimana cara kita untuk mencegah data-data pribadi kita agar tidak bocor gitu.
Okay. That's good question. Who will be the first? Just answer it. Masa aku lagi sih, guys? Let me try from Ansar. Ansar. Are you still here?
Yes.
Okay. Hello. Okay, so what is your answer?
Sorry. What answer? Well, what's
What's
question?
the question? Simple question from siapa tadi? Nopal. How you can protect your data from the leak? Jadi bagaimana cara kamu untuk melindungi data kamu supaya tidak bocor? Nanti Arif ya. Just simple question. I'm sure you guys have the answer, but you can speak. Ya kan? Ayo Ansar.
Okay, so for me, be wise in managing your.
Be wise managing your data.
Yes.
Like how? Can you give us the simple example? Like, oh, don't share this, don't share that. Arif ini males yuk. Be wise, guys. Be wise to manage your data. And can you give the example?
Because
what?
Because data such as passwords is very important to protect.
Okay, it's just like don't share your password and your account to the others, like right? Or Lexi. Don't share your password, your account password. Okay, and then that's all answer, or do you have any answer or enough?
Not.
Okay, that's enough. Okay, and what about the other? Like Arif, do you have any opinion?
For me, in two-step verification. and do not fill in personal data on links that are not recognition.
Can you
Diverifikasi 2 langkah dan tidak mengisi data pribadi di link yang tidak dikenal.
Okay, so start to activate to authentication and don't fill apa ya link yang nggak dikenal. Don't fill unprotected
Two-step
link.
verification example.
Mhm.
Two-step verification example. This account Google account.
Okay.
And link not recognition. Paste link.
Mhm.
Baca with paste link.
Oh, apa namanya tadi? Pasteling.
Paste link. Paste link.
Okay, thank you, Arif. Okay, I'm agree. I'm agree.
Okay,
I'm agree with you, and also answer. And maybe another opinion. What do you think? And how to protect our data so our data is not leaked. Siapa sih yang belum ngomong ini? Ajril.
For me,
Oh ya, Mbak Nur.
For me,
Oh.
as mobile device security, enable mobile device and device security features such screen lock and data encryption to protection information on your device. Gunakan itu keamanan perangkat mobile.
Gimana itu? Keamanan perangkat mobile.
Ya, kita aktifkan pengamanan perangkat kayak misal ini pakai kayak misal di Google nggak apa-apa pakai bahasa Indonesia kan? Di Google tuh kan misal kita mau masuk ke akun email kita. Terus kita nggak boleh sembarang masuk. Nah, jadi kita verifikasi dua apa sih namanya? Pokoknya dua itu. Nah, jadi pokoknya gitu loh, Lutfi. Aku tidak bisa berword-word.
Same with Arif, right? Arif said that you can enable the two-step verification. Verifikasi dua langkah.
Yes.
Okay. Almost the same like Arif. Yeah, so we can protect our data. The first one is don't share our personal data. And the second one is activate your two-step verification on your account, Google account. And then what is the third step? Ada yang bisa ngasih tahu satu langkah lagi yang bisa membuat data kalian aman? Don't share the personal data such as password and IKA, and then your name, your date, your birth date, and then the others your personal data. And then the second is activate your two-step verification. And what is the third?
Use a complex password. Use a complex password. Jadi kayak pakai password yang rumit.
Okay, yep, that's right. Use the complex password. So you can use the combination of capital letter and mini letter apa sih mini letter and then the number and symbol like that. Okay, that's good, Arif, and for the others, thank you. Maybe before we close our session, guys, do you still have any idea, any opinion, or any question before we close?
No.
Wah, langsung Asmi nih. Okay, no from Asmi, and for the other, do you still have?
No.
No answer. Okay, no, and then novel mana yang hilang? Jangan percaya temen Kak. Don't trust your friend from Azril. Yeah. Arif dulu nggak boleh gitu, Rip. Okay. Because you don't have any question again, don't have any idea again, so we can close our session. But before we close, let's take a picture together. Let's take a picture. Come on. Open your cam. Saya tidak akan mentolerir kendala device. Come on. Open your
My
cam.
laptop not camera.
Nah, itu ada. Okay, I'll answer from Kaltara. Yeah, right? From Kaltara, right? Ini kita belum introduce. Nggak apa-apa. Mana Zahrini itu yang mana? Azmi. Okay, Azmi Zahrin. Oh, I see. Okay, let's take a picture. 1, 2, 3, smile. 1, 2, 3. Jangan kampanye. Okay, once again. With like this. Not like this, no. Don't do that. Like this. Tapi aku nggak bisa ininya. Okay? Okay, 1, 2, 3. Wait. 1, 2, 3. Okay, thank you guys for participating on our first storytelling. So, wait, I will inform you for tomorrow. Our moderator will be siapa sih besok itu? Azril?
No.
Yeah, Azril. Or Arif, maybe Arif. Arif, are you ready to be the next moderator for tomorrow? Because today the moderator is me.
Yes, I'm ready.
Okay, tomorrow the moderator will be Arif. Okay, and for our topic tomorrow is about. Tomorrow our topic will be about the rise of e-commerce, changing consumer habits and local business. Okay, you can prepare for the topic for tomorrow and see you tomorrow. Dadah. Thank you guys. Thank you. Tomorrow,
Thank you.
yeah. Tomorrow at 7 and 8 Wita. Thank you.